What? All these parts? What? OEM Honda? Got some kitchen. So I haven't really had time to work on the Civic, but I have got some parts for the S2000, so we're getting up a vlog regardless. So we're gonna be changing up the S2000 a little bit. It's been a while. So I got this CR lip. It's not an authentic one. Real CR lips are like 700 bucks. So, you know, I'm not about to spend that on a lip. It's a waste of money in my opinion. Well, I don't have the money like that, so it's a waste for me, you know. If you got the money like that, then why not? If you got 700 bucks for a lip. Alright, so also on top of that lip, guys, we got these S2000 badges. So these are custom badges. They're kind of like homage to the S Roadster emblem. So they're replacing this Honda emblem and it should look a lot better. Now people are really gonna be wondering what kind of car this is. So that's really the giveaway, the only giveaway. So this is for front and rear. So debating if I should throw it on the trunk. Looking at it now, it honestly looked pretty sick. Not too bad. Alright, let's get it. So this is part of the reason you buy authentic stuff, just because fitment isn't always the greatest. But I don't think I'm gonna paint it because it doesn't look too bad. It honestly has like kind of like a glossiness to it. So I feel like if I paint it, I'm gonna just make it look worse. So honestly, it doesn't look too bad like this. But yeah, this is the only thing right now. But we'll make the fitment work. Like I think it's pretty cool. It has these holes on the bottom to fit the OEM holes on the bumper, but it's still fucked fitment. Alright guys, so I've been fidgeting with this damn lip for the longest. So this is the only problem with replica themes. So I mean, you get the price, but fitment is usually not the best. So I was messing around with it a lot. This side is just a tad bit higher, but it's really the best I could do. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. So yeah, my biggest problem was like right along there, it wasn't flush. So I was trying to get as flush as I can on both sides. So yeah, fuck it, I'll leave it like that. Doesn't look too bad. And I'm glad I didn't paint it because it honestly doesn't look bad. I feel like if I would have painted it, I would have made it look worse. It would have been all cracking and shit. So yeah, if you guys fuck with this lip, drop a thumbs up or comment down below. I like it. Alright, so now next, this gotta go. This is ugly. Nice, gentle. Oh. Yes, sir. So these are super dope, but I just wish they had these little prongs. I don't know what you want to call them, but you know, so they could go in the hole. They don't have them. It's like adhesive, so it's just gonna go right over. So I'm gonna have to clean this real quick. Got some gunk, and that should look pretty badass. Alright guys, so that's what it's looking like right now. Pretty much got most of it off. Shout out to Goo Gun. Shit's pretty clutch. Pretty sure the bigger one goes on front. I don't know, fuck do I know. Alright, gotta put this shit straight. Does that look straight?
Yeah.
Oof. Oh yeah. So I'm surprised I got it on there pretty centered and straight, but that's what it looks like, guys. I honestly really like it. It looks good. So I'm gonna put back this thing right there for the bumper, and then put it back, and then we'll be able to see how she really looks like. And I think I'm still gonna put this one on the trunk because I really like how this looks. So yep. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. Super happy with it. I think it looks fucking nice. So now we're gonna be putting on the rear one. Kind of did this rear one just a little bit crooked, but doesn't look too bad. So that's what she looks like outside. Yeah, she looks sexy. My only issue is this side is a little bit cleaner than this side. Sticking out just a little bit. If you guys have any ideas, I was thinking maybe I could heat it up and maybe just like mold it since it is polyurethane. I don't know. If you guys have any idea, comment down below, let me know. But also comment down below what you guys think. It was about time I did something to the S2000. Just looking plain for too long. Alright guys, so help me decide real quick. I'm debating on painting the top either red again or black. I just want it to look clean again, but I am going to be doing my rotors soon. I'm just waiting for them to come in, but I bought some Stop Tech slider rotors, so I was thinking about painting my calipers at the same time. Might as well, since I'm going to be taking off the wheels and be under there anyways. So comment down below what color I should paint the caliper, because I'm over the yellow. And also, I don't know if I should paint the top red again or black. So keep that in mind, guys. I want a different color for the calipers. I don't know, I was thinking red. It might go along with the red top, but I'm not sure. I was thinking red for the calipers because of the emblems as well. So that'll look good. So I guess I'm just debating if the red calipers will look better with the red top or black top. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. That's how the rear's looking. Honestly, not sure how I feel about the rear badge. It looks sick in the front. I don't know. I'm gonna rock with it though for a little bit. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope today's video is not too short, guys. I wanted to get something out and I was waiting for these parts to come in. So next is rotors. So that should come in this week too. So that'll be another video. But yeah, guys, Civic vlogs have been on standby right now. As you guys know, the Civic is at Leo's house, so it's not really in my power to decide when to work on it. So I'm just waiting till Leo's free. But as you guys saw, I have a bunch of parts. So even still, if we didn't work on the Civic this week, I have hella parts. I pretty much have everything to finish the Civic. So even, I think it's like 8 weeks or so right now. So even with 8 weeks, I mean, that's still not bad. So even with 8 weeks, I feel like we can still finish the Civic, guys. So yeah. Alright guys, so go check out the website. The link will be down in the description box below. Go check out the banners we recently restocked on. Go check out stickers, so the link will be down below. So if you guys want to get into stocks, if you want to get into like start investing, then check out my referral link down below for Robinhood. If you guys sign up and link your bank account, then we'll both get a free stock. So what better way to start investing in the stock market than with some free money, right? With the free stock. So go check that out. I don't know what else to add. If you guys fuck with the video, if you fuck with your boy, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, make sure you click the notification bell so you guys stay up to date with all the vlogs. And that's all I got, man. I'll try to upload another vlog for you guys this week, but I at least wanted to upload another vlog. Didn't want to go a week without uploading. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good, and then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until next time, guys, stay safe.